once in a while, please promise me you'll try. When you find that once again you long to take your heart back and be free, if you ever find a moment, spare a thought for me. Think of me waking silent and resigned. Imagine me trying to hold you, put you from my mind. Recall the days about all of these times. Think of the things we'll never do. There will never be a day when I won't think. We never said that love was evergreen, always unchanging as the sea. But if you can still remember, stop and think of flowers fade, the fruits of summer fade. We have the seasons, so do we. But please promise me that sometimes you'll think. Oh, 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 oh.